In today's video, I will put you through on how to get Microsoft Excel free without pay anything, okay? So follow me, let me put you through on how to do that and also how to complete few tasks after that, okay? Let's get right into it. All right, first, get your PC connected to the internet. So here, this has an internet access. And after that, open a web browser of your choice. Here, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. So I'll click on it and it opens. As the Edge opens, the next step you need to take is to visit m365.cloud.microsoft because Excel is part of Microsoft 365. Okay, so that's why we are visiting this website. Okay, m365.cloud.microsoft. Press .com. Okay, don't forget that .com. Then after that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. All right, so this opens on this page and it logs me in automatically because I have been using this browser to log in and I save my login details here. But in your own case, you need to log in with the email address and the password used in accessing Microsoft platform, okay? Microsoft 365 platform. If you don't have any already, on the new page, you'll be informed to create an account. That's to sign up. So follow the sign up step by step. You can use your Gmail, all right, to sign up or any email services at all you have. Okay. So once you do that, you'll be landed on this page. Okay, so take a look at this margin, at this left margin. You see some commands there. Okay, let's call them some menu items. But our interest here is on Excel. So look at Excel here. So you click on it, or if you don't find Excel here, you can click on this app launcher section. All right, this will give you a list of some apps you can access for free from here. Okay, and our interest is on Excel. So click on Excel. Okay, on this Excel page, this is what you call the start screen. All right, this is what you call the start screen of Excel. First is that we are given blank workbook option. So if you want to create from scratch, you go with this blank workbook. You have welcome to Excel tutorial, which is not necessary at this point. We have simple list. If you want to create list, you can click on this template, all right, and edit the information to what you want to have. Okay, personalize it. Then evergreen calendar. If you want to create calendar in Excel, just go with this. If you want simple service invoice, maybe you want to create invoice, just go for this. If you click here, you see more Excel templates you can work with, more workbook templates. Okay, so down here you can see some files I recently accessed or created on this platform. If I click here, you see some things I shared. If I click here, you see some I marked as favorites. Okay, but I don't have any now, so I'll get back to recently opened. Okay, then let's start with the blank workbook. So I'll click on blank workbook for it to open on a new tab. You can see it's opening. Okay, so just like the way you can do a lot of things in the desktop version, you can still do a lot of things here. So here, let's say I want to talk about the names of boys and girls in my academy. Okay, so here I can have it as boys as a heading. All right, here I can have it as girls. Okay, girls. All right, so I can list the names of boys here and list the name of girls here. Okay, so we don't have that time. Okay, so once you get here, you can see here is where you have the name. Okay, so you click here and you are allowed to give this a name. Let's say a cell tutorial. Okay, tutorial. All right, 2025. Okay, so you can give it any name of your choice. After that, you click out. Okay, so on the assumption that I'm done compiling the information I want to have in this Excel, it will stay here. It can stay online. Once you visit onedrive.com, you will still see this because this is Microsoft product. So everything is saved on the cloud. Or even if you visit this page again next time, this page you still have this on this list here. Okay, you'll have it on this list. From there, you can access it and do anything you want to do. All right, you can see this one we are working on right now is here. Okay, it has not captured the new name, with time it will change. Okay, so let's get back to the page. But if you don't want this to just be on the cloud, you want to have a copy, all right, in your computer, you can still do that, right? You can have it in your PC, all right, so that you can easily access it locally other than logging on the web, okay, to get to it. And for you to do that, click on File. So from the list of options, select Save As. Then on selecting Save As, you can see share with people, you can see copy to this workbook and so many other options, okay? So, and you see another Save As here as well, okay? But our interest is to download this into our PC. So go, you can see this download section, click on download a copy. Okay, you can see a copy of this have been downloaded into our PC. And for us to access it, click on File Explorer, then click on Downloads. You can see tutorial 2025, Excel tutorial 2025, which is the file we just created. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, okay, including software use. So subscribe to learn more. Leave comments in the comment section. If you have any question about this, please do well to ask me. I will answer you, okay? And hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. You can still share to your friends that they know needs this information, all right? So watch this video here to learn how to get Microsoft 365 for free. Thank you and see you some other time.